Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to math class. I'm your maths teacher. How is it going? We have already learned about whole numbers in last week maths tutorial. In this tutorial video, we will learn addition and subtraction of whole numbers. Firstly, we discuss addition of whole numbers. For this, let's consider an example. Here we will find the addition of two whole numbers 95 and 63. To find the sum of given numbers, we write them in vertical columns while placing each digit according to its place value. In 95, 9 is the tens place digit and 5 is the units place digit. In 63, 6 is the tens place digit and 3 is the unit place digit. Now, how we will add them? We will start addition from unit place digits. 5 plus 3 is 8. Write 8 in answer at units place digit. Now we will add tens place digits. 9 plus 6, 15. Write 15 in answer at tens place digits. Hence 95 plus 63 is 158. Look at the exercise 2.2. Question number 1, evaluate. There are 9 parts. Here we have to perform two operations, addition and subtractions. We solve part 2 for more practice of addition. Exercise 2.2. Question 1. Second part is 654 plus 198. To find the sum of these two numbers, we write them in vertical columns while placing each digit according to its place value. In 654, 6 is the hundred place digit, 5 is the tens place digit and 4 is the unit place digit. In 198, 1 is the hundred place digit, 9 is the 10 place digit and 8 is the unit place digit. Now we start addition from unit place digits. 4 plus 8 is 12. We write 2 in answer at unit place digit and carry 1 in 10 place digits. Now we add 10 place digits. 1 plus 5 plus 9, 15. We write 5 in answer at 10 place digit and carry 1 in 100 place digit. Now we add 100 place digits. 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. Write 8 in answer at 100 place digits. Hence, 654 plus 198 is equal to 852. Our next topic is subtraction of whole numbers. For this, consider an example 2105 minus 1726. Like addition, to find the subtraction of these two numbers, we write them in vertical columns while placing each digit according to its place value. In 2105, we write 2 in thousand, 1 in hundred, 0 in tens and 5 in units. In 1726, we write 1 in thousand, 7 in hundred, 2 in tens and 6 in units. Now we subtract them. We cannot subtract 6 from 5, so we take 1 tens borrow from 10 place digit. Here is 0, so we can't take 1 tens from 0. So, instead of borrowing from 0, borrowing from 10, 0, 9 left there and 1 tens plus 5 becomes 15 units. Now we can minus 6 from 15. We have 9. Write 9 in unit place digit. In 10 place digit, 9 minus 2 is 7. Write 7 in 10 place digits. Now in hundreds, again we can't minus 7 from 0. So we take 1000s borrow from 1000 place digits. Here 1 left and 1000 becomes 10 hundreds in 100 place digits. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Write 3 in 100 place digits. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. Hence 2105 minus 1726 is 379. Again look at the exercise 2.2. For more practice of subtraction, we solve 7th part. 7th part is 5121 minus 2674. To find this subtraction, we write them in vertical column while placing each digit according to its place value. We write 5 in 1000, 1 in 100, 2 in tens and 1 in unit place digit. For next number, we write 2 in 1000, 6 in 100, 7 in tens and 4 in unit place digits. Now we start subtraction from unit place digits. We can't minus 4 from 1. So we take 1 tens borrow from tens, 1 left there and 1 tens plus 1 becomes 11 units in unit place digit. So 11 minus 4 is 7. Write 7 in unit place digit. In 10 place, again we can't minus 7 from 1. So we take 1 borrow from hundreds. 0 left there and 100 means 10 tens. So 10 tens plus 1 becomes 11 tens. 11 minus 7 is 4. Write 4 in 10 place. Now look at this 100 places. Again we can't minus 6 from 0. So we borrow 1000 from 5000. 4 left there and 1000 means 10 hundreds. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Write 4 in 100 place. Now in 1000 place, 4 minus 2 is 2. Hence 5121 minus 2674 is 2447. Look at exercise 2.2, question number 2. Write the correct digit within each box. We will discuss second and fourth part of this question. Look at this second part. Here the addition of two whole number is shown. So we will start addition from unit place digits. 1 plus what becomes 6? 5. Yes, write 5 in a box. Look at 10 place digits. 9 plus 8 is 17. Write 7 in this box and carry 1 in hundreds. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Now 5 plus what becomes 6? 1. Yes. Look at the fourth part. The subtraction of two whole number is there. We start from unit place digits. Look at the box. 7 minus what becomes 4? Yes, 3. So write 3 in this box. Now look at the 10 place digits. 9 minus 5 is 4. Write 4 in this box. Look at 100 place digits. 6 minus what becomes 1? Yes, 5. Write 5 in this box. Students, to clear these concepts, do more practice. Solve remaining parts of question 1 and 2 on your NEET registers.